What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode out here on Lake Lanier. As a lot of you guys know, Hurricane Helene came through. I was able to get out towards the evening for a couple hours, and then I went out the next day in the afternoon too. So I put a compilation together of all the fish catches, fishing that low pressure after the storm, and the topwater bite was pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage. Cast OG bass right there, and he was the smallest one out of that group. It was unbelievable. Another OG fish. He ain't big though, but man, I just missed. I wish I had a better I'm gonna set up a second camera on this boat just so you guys can see the fish that are missing this thing. They're blowing this bait all the way out of the water. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Some largemouth. How about that? Some largemouth action on that pink OG too. We're catching everything today. Let's go, boys. Got one on the OG. They weren't really coming up to the pink anymore, so I switched over to river gray, a little more natural. Definitely getting a little more looks, but right on, man. OG bass right there. Broke me off. Oh no. I'm gonna give it a second, see if he comes up, but I doubt it. It was a big spot. There we go. There we go. There's another one on the riser this time instead of the OG. Oh my gosh, look how fat that fish is. Goodness. There you go. There's a Lanier spot. Look at the belly on him, just full of, they're chasing like 3-4 inch herring all around me. Oh my god, that was awesome. Oh my god. That thing freaking jumped right in front of the trolling motor. Wow. I love these spots. Oh my god. It's a good fish too. That was so sick. Look at that fish right there on the riser. Oh my god, that was awesome. He came off. I appreciate you guys watching this video. These post-hurricane bass were definitely feeding. It's definitely a sign of good things to come. The fall's right around the corner. It's really starting to cool down, so topwater should be getting better and better. Stay tuned for some more awesome topwater blowups. These spots are just awesome. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.